Wash your hands.
Pizza nut! We're making English muffin pizza. Cheese, pepperoni sauce, and English muffin. So first you take the lid off. And I need a parent help for the cut these.
When you take out your English muffin, you're gonna need to cut it in half. Is that right? Okay, thank you, Haley. So I'm gonna use my knife to cut it in half. Okay.
Put it on it.
We're gonna put sauce and spread it on both English muffins. Okay, do you know what's next?
Yep.
Okay.
Cheese.
Good job. We're gonna do a little bit more to cover the whole thing, but you can get out pepperonis. So for our toppings, we're using pepperoni, but some people might like sausage or just cheese. What kind of toppings do you like?
Pepperoni.
Okay, how many pepperonis are you gonna put on each piece?
This many.
How many do you think that is?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so you wanna put 3 on this
Wait.
one too? We're gonna put it in the microwave. Is that a good idea? Okay, can you help me push the buttons?
Don't put pizzas in the oven.
So we put it in the microwave and we're gonna set our timer for 30 seconds. So it's cook time. 3, 0, start.
Start.
Okay, so now it is cooked. It's all done. I'm gonna let it cool off before I let anybody eat it.
Eat. Put cheese, sauce, and toppings back in the fridge. Wash your dishes.